What is going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be installing a front lip. I found this on eBay. I'll leave a link to it in the description. I like this one because it's not crazy aggressive and it doesn't scream, oh, look at me. It's just like really like clean and simple and relaxed. It's nothing outrageous, nothing obnoxious. We're going to install this in today's vlog, but also I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And can you not make faces? Distract me. I'm pretty sure this is easy to install, nothing crazy. And I can't wait to see how it looks, and I'll get you guys before and after shots afterwards. But if you guys are wondering, yes, we're filming this the same day we installed the taillights just about an hour ago. So no, we have not been wearing the same clothes for like 5 days. So yeah.
Does it cap? You want to leave the plastic on for protection?
While it's on the car?
So it doesn't scratch?
Yeah. I don't care though. We're not low yet. Okay, well, let's see how it looks. Not that bad. That looks pretty clean. Right? Yeah. I can't tell how like aggressive it is on the sides, but I like how like it's calm and chill. Not bad.
How much was this?
60 bucks?
Yeah, that's right.
It's worth it for 60 bucks. We're installing an eBay lip, so can't expect much from it. That's it?
Mm-hmm.
So how do we screw this into it? I don't get it.
You literally just line it up and screw it in.
Through this?
Yeah.
They want us to make the holes? It actually already has holes though.
Where?
Underneath the bumper. Which is sus. Why is there a fucking sticker on the front?
I don't know.
Nigga, you did that.
Where do you care about it looking good the most?
The front.
Like here, right?
Yeah, the front.
Alright, so we'll hold it there, and then I'll screw it in, and then we'll work
Okay.
our way out.
Alright, let me come over there.
No, stay like in the middle so you make sure it looks good on both sides.
Okay. Alright guys, I have a job. It's to make sure this looks good. Kind of hard to do.
It's a Subaru.
At least it's not a FRS. No offense to you FRS guys out there. I just don't like the FRS front bumper. It's kind of sus.
Is it different?
It's the
Yeah, it's different. No, it's not. Completely different. That's like saying base model front bumper and M Sport front bumper are the same. This is literally a base model bumper. If you compare the two, the FRS one looks way more aggressive.
Why does it smell like
Hmm?
weed?
I don't know. You got that loud on deck?
Hold that corner, like this corner perfectly. Position-wise.
Okay, that looks good then for me. No, my side.
No.
My side.
Alright, so we have to like split the difference.
Oh, that looks good there.
No.
Oh, ew.
Let me come a little that way.
Okay.
Good?
I can't give you anything more than that.
This?
Yeah, that's the
hold
most I'll negotiate.
Wow. Alright, good.
Oh, wait. Yeah.
Position.
Yeah. Okay, install complete.
Done. Bye.
Goodbye. It's pretty easy install then. We're just drilling into a random spot. Lit. So, question when you're done.
Yeah.
How do you know where to screw it? Like, where are you doing it? Based off of the gap here? Or just
Well, I'm trying to have it like
spaced out?
wherever like it sags, put it there.
Okay.
But also like evenly. Like I did corner, middle, and between that.
Okay.
And just add on. These aren't any special screws. It's literally like, this is for sheet metal.
Oh, so we can like get that from like AutoZone if we needed more?
Home Depot.
Home Depot, okay. I want to see how this corner lines up. It's gonna look sick actually.
Not bad actually.
Yeah, it fits pretty good from the looks of it. Look, it ends up right here too. Nice, and it's not going too far past the bumper. Oh wow, I forgot to take a before picture without it. I'll just slap one on from like an Instagram picture that I've taken of the front of the car. I guess you guys can, hopefully that'll suffice, but. What?
saggy boy right here. So
Okay, so it's saggy right there, and you're gonna screw there, okay.
right in the middle. No more saggy there.
Yo, looks sick.
Wow, are you gonna put your like sponsors in now?
Brand new car. A little hiccup we ran into, well, not a hiccup, but just like, I guess it's just part of the process of installing this. When we were putting this on, there was a little gap here that we really had to like get 3 guys. Like, we had to get Patrick and Mike and me. We were just pulling it to close this gap because this molding of the lip is a little off. It is $60 and from eBay, so it's nothing that we weren't expecting, but we just worked around it and we made it work. Is it going to scrape? Is it going to scrape? We gonna see, we gonna see. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. You're good. It's a monster truck. Alright guys, so obviously we're taking it off this thing now, so we're done. It looks really good. I like the way it looks. Turn the headlight to parking light, because oh my god. He got scared! He backed up. But yeah, I think it looks really cool. I really love how the front lip, turn the car off. I love how the front lip doesn't stick out super far. That's a big thing that I wanted. I didn't want, yo, we're monetized here. We can't have that copyrighted music. Turn that shit up. For 10 seconds? So yeah. Yeah, I like how the front lip doesn't stick out crazy far, and I also like how it doesn't poke out really far here. All the ones I was finding on eBay and online anywhere were super aggressive, so I didn't like that. So I like how this looks, and I really like how it contrasts with the white. If the car was black, you wouldn't be able to see this very much, so, and it also works with this, so I feel like it looks really good. Can you stop? But yeah, I love the way this actually came out. It looks good. I really want to get rid of that license plate adapter. Once I grow the balls to stop running a front plate, I'll probably just run that nice clean look. So for the front, like I told you guys, the back goal is the front. I want to debadge the front. There's a way to do it where a body shop would have to do it, so obviously Best Service would do that. And then maybe get those really nice headlights where this ray goes from like here all the way around, just like the taillights basically. And then I guess that'll do it for the front in terms of mods. I was thinking about a nice hood too, but not carbon fiber, it's a different design. And then hopefully, if my funds allow it, plans to wide body it and bag it, but we'll see what happens with that. An update on the E36, we're still trying to get stuff done and going for that. For most part, it's me, because I'm super busy, so I haven't been able to even go to the shop. I was in Arkansas a couple weeks ago, and then Florida, bunch of weddings to attend. So happy New Year to all of you guys that are tuning into the channel again. Thank you so much for watching this video. But yeah, the E36 vlogs, the rebuild vlogs will be back super soon for those of you guys waiting on that. But let me know what you guys think of this front lip. Comment down below. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.